Mike from Harris Water Main and Sewer Contractors. Thanks for tuning into our video. As always, if you could please like, comment, and subscribe, it'd be greatly appreciated. Today I'm on 9th Avenue in Manhattan. We are replacing a 2-inch copper water main. Building over here, sprung a leak on the inside, lead service, had to replace the entire main. Let's go see what these guys are up to.
Might as well. It's Friday, the 13th. Not really. Not really. I love cats. Yeah. Yeah. No. 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 Not at all. Awaken alert.
Okay, so we don't. So I won't see you ever again.
Never ever again.
Okay.
All right. We are in Manhattan, 9th Avenue. Today we're actually changing a 2-inch domestic water main for this laundromat right here. Actually, they have a leak inside. Okay. Yes, so it's lead to, and we have to change the whole thing. Give them a copper. In Manhattan, it's it's a different kind of structure with the concrete in the street. You know, it's a higher texture PSI. So it's sometimes harder. It takes actually extra hour or two, to break. We're down to the pipe now, the city main, and we're down to the whole connection. So we clean up now, and then we're going to turn it off, and then we're going to start putting in new pipe.
guys are getting ready to make the final connection to the existing tap on the city main. It's really shallow, so we're gonna be using some insulation, metal plates to make sure it's good. It's still below the frost line though. This is just added measure. Let's just go see what Dwight's doing inside and how he's connected to the meter. All right, thanks for tuning into the video again. We're gonna let these guys get back to it, make the final connections, backfill, get out of here. Dwight, as always, thank you. Akil, Jervy, guys, we appreciate you. Thanks for watching.